Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to talk about my VHS video cassette rewinder. I didn't talk about that last time when I was discussing how to transfer VHS over to digital, and I thought I'd do that now. I'm kind of in a little bit of a jam here. I've got a lot of people that asked me to do this for them. This is not something that I would normally do for business, but there's plenty of work out there if you're interested in doing this. But one of the things that you want to get is you want to get yourself a rewinder, and the reason for that is these VCRs, you're just going to wear them out from what I found. So I've got a couple here that are ready to rewind. And what you want to do is when it's ready to rewind, you're going to put it in this little device right here, and you're just going to push it down, and it's going to start to rewind it. And it's going to go all the way to the end, and then you can kind of give it back to the client. In my case, I'm giving it back to the family. So I've got another one here. Basically how I'm doing it is, not to get away from the rewinder, is I'm kind of checking them off so I know which tape that I have done. And then I'll take this one, I'll put it in the box, and then I'm digitizing everything here for them. So they're going to get the VHS back, and they're going to get the digitized version as well. So this is going to go ahead and rewind to the end. Doesn't take very long, but what that does is it allows me to get the next tape ready and queued up into the player so I can start digitizing that. So basically I just wanted to show you, if you're going to go into business to do this for to make some money, pick yourself up a couple of these. I've had this one for quite some time. I'm not exactly sure if you can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link down below if you can, but you definitely want to get this. Some people will talk about how this is bad for the tape because as it gets to the end, it's going to kind of snap the tape. If that happens, I can show another video on how to fix this. Now, if it snaps it in the middle of the tape, that's a different story. But if it breaks it off the end of the reel, it's not that big of a job to fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and just let this rewind. This should be over any time. So I'll try to capture that for you, and you'll see that it will actually pop up automatically. Well, I hope this helps you with your VHS to digital format, and stay tuned for the next one.